Hello, incredible viewers. Today, prepare yourselves for an unprecedented journey into the life of one of history's greatest minds, Albert Einstein. Ever wondered about the intricate details, the eccentricities, and the profound moments that filled his days? Well, you're in for an immersive experience. Join me as we delve deep into the whimsical and genius world of Albert Einstein. Our odyssey begins with the breaking dawn, a precise 7 a.m. Contrary to the norms of morning people, Einstein emerges from the depths of cosmic contemplation, donned in his signature disheveled outfit, a testament to a mind ceaselessly at work. In the sanctuary of his thoughts, Einstein begins his day. The routine, a swift but intentional brush through that iconic wild hair. Who needs combs when you're about to reshape the laws of the universe? Breakfast, a fusion of coffee and complex equations, turns into a ritualistic communion with the cosmos. While the world catches up with daily news, Einstein immerses himself in the celestial symphony, deciphering the universe's latest whispers. Now, let's peel back the layers of Einstein's thought process. Welcome to the inner sanctum, his study, a chamber of blackboards etched with the intricate dance of equations. Einstein once poignantly said, "I think and think for months and years. 99 times the conclusion is false. The 100th time, I am right." It's a tale of relentless pursuit, a journey into the depths of truth. His famous thought experiments, more than mental gymnastics, they're cosmic ballets, chasing beams of light, bending time, all in a day's extraordinary work for this genius. Now let's unravel some of Einstein's quirks. Did you know about his love for music, particularly his prowess with the violin? Einstein, the maestro of both equations and melodies, often sought inspiration in music. Rumor has it that the theory of relativity itself was conceived during a jam session with his beloved violin. In the midst of complex equations, Einstein orchestrated a cosmic symphony, transcending the boundaries of science and art. And then there's that iconic tongue-out pose, not a mere act of defiance, but a deliberate rebellion against the mundane. A true maverick, even in the realm of photography. Now, let's explore the social facet of Einstein's life. Contrary to the image of a recluse, Einstein had a vibrant circle of intellectual comrades. The Salon of the Muted Swans, as he affectionately called it, was a congregation of great minds. Here, science and philosophy waltzed hand in hand, perhaps alongside discussions on the best coffee spots in Princeton. But Einstein was more than a theoretician. He was a passionate advocate for peace and civil rights. His desk wasn't just a battleground for ideas, it was a nexus where intellectualism met social activism. Let's delve into some of Einstein's quirky habits. Did you know about his affinity for sailing? Amidst the cacophony of equations, Einstein found solace in sailing. The gentle sway of the boat, the rhythmic lapping of the water, a physicist's meditation. And then there's his pipe, a thinking companion that accompanied him through deep contemplations. The rhythmic tapping, a symphony of ideas. It was his secret code for unraveling the universe. As the day transitions towards its conclusion, let's illuminate the family-centric moments in Einstein's life. Einstein, a devoted father, showcased a love for his children as profound as his love for physics. Imagine bedtime stories adorned with equations, a glimpse into a familial setting where the brilliance of a physicist coalesced with the warmth of a parent. Einstein's home became a haven of creativity and exploration. His genuine love for his children was evident not only in the intellectual stimulation he provided, but also in the simple, everyday moments. Whether engaging in playful discussions about the wonders of the cosmos or sharing laughter over a family meal, Einstein fostered an environment where curiosity thrived. And there you have it, an immersive journey through a day in the extraordinary life of Albert Einstein. From unraveling the mysteries of the universe to orchestrating cosmic symphonies on his violin, he was a true genius with a touch of eccentricity. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures with iconic figures. Now, share with us in the comments which historical luminary you'd like to step into the shoes of next.